Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best accessories for the Honda CBR500R and CB500F motorcycles. If you're looking to enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your ride, this one's for you. Introducing the RANSOTO motorcycle Fender Eliminator. Designed specifically for the Honda CBR500R and CB500F models from 2016 to 2023. This sleek accessory is crafted from durable aluminum with a modern rubber finish, ensuring both durability and a clean look. Installation is a breeze with pressed-in screws that provide a seamless appearance. Plus, it retains your original license plate light and turn signal lights, maintaining both safety and legality on the road. What really sets this Fender Eliminator apart is its attention to detail. It includes a rubber grommet to protect your wires, ensuring longevity and reliability in all conditions. Whether you're upgrading your Honda CBR500R or CB500F, this Fender Eliminator from RANSOTO is a must-have. It combines style, functionality, and ease of use all at an affordable price point. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.